Alright.
Oh, yo.
Someone gotta sacrifice this man, Martin.
That Illuminati type
This
word.
man got too many lives.
Oh, crazy.
Bubble. Talk to this man, Eli. He back.
Sure.
Oh no!
Why he spin back? Okay.
That looked out crazy right there.
Oh, oh, oh!
I mean, I gotta chill.
Oh, Eli! Oh, no, no, no!
Crazy. There we go.
This probably, yeah, I knew it. I fucking knew it. Token down there.
I tried.
About to hit it with that Mamma Mia pizzeria. You can freeze that man. Stand on top of him.
Oh, look at that angle on him.
You bubble up, yeah. Ooh!
That strat.
Finna hit it with that perk angle.
Jeez.
Where the fuck am I at?
Oh, you bubbled.
This man Martin is so snake.
Oh, it fell on me.
Nah, that's cap.
What I need two of them for?
This man really ran into that shit.
Oh, you can't break that thing, so we can't get the last thing.
Yeah,
We can with that shell right there.
right. Oh
Yo,
no!
this man-
Sabotage.
I'm a liability at this point.
Is it worth running back?
Yeah.
Oh! You gotta go, you gotta go, you gotta go, you gotta go.
Shit got me too fucking spooked right now.
Is it worth getting that shell? Should we go back and get
How
it?
we get that shit?
Nah.
Where's the next turtle at?
Oh my god.
You really almost.
That man had me spooked. Man about to come through flying again.
Wait. 282.
Four jump.
Now. Oh, it's delayed. Oh,
Never
280.
snake. And never snake.
Should have been that man Eli getting that shit.
Them 6 continues.
Here we go again. Let's go.
Jeez. Why they switch direction all of a sudden? That's crazy.
You get that shit.
Oh no.
Damn. That shit was so fucked up. I can't find it.
Oh!
Oh no.
Oh my gosh, dude, these fucking I'm about to get derogatory. Remember this man Martin told me about that crack pimping shit. This man started laughing. You wanna get that shit?
We're dang. Oh.
Versace. Why don't my bitch love me no more?
That's crazy.
I'm like that. I knew, bro. Why did I do that, dude? I knew I don't got good aim and accuracy. Try to hit that strat. It might not jump on my head.
Dang.
Yeah, is this shit worth it? Cause I don't know how the fuck to get this shit.
Yo, that was an unprovoked death.
Oh.
I feel like that definitely was not worth it.
Smith Martin said he about to give me a small loan that I'm not gonna pay back.
I think it's actually right there. Just make sure we're all near it.
No. Come on.
Crazy.
You fucking.
Yo, this lag is killing me, bro.
For real.
I might start speaking Spanish. Martin, do you not speak that?
Yo, this man just kicked a shell at my head.
It's sabotage. Oh! Okay, I played myself.
She went in there knowing you cannot do that thing.
We might all just have to meet.
Nah, it's just to put us farther on the map, low key. Should we just skip this shit? So I think the only way we realistically can get this shit is
Yo, he was kind of on one right there.
we gotta jump off of someone's
Do
head
the
or
twirl.
something.
Do the twirl stall. Just stall in the air.
Oh, that's facts. Why did bro?
Whoop.
Bro, I knew it. I knew this.
I'm done.
Why are you doing?
Alright, let me give it one last try. And then I'm good off it.
Oh.
I'm straight off that.
Oh.
It don't count. It don't count. It don't count.
Yo.
I'm sick of this shit.
Maybe we need the helicopter.
Yo, he kinda going correct.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, the helicopter one. I didn't think about that. Do that head jump. Crazy.
Nah, he did
Sick of
pretty
this
good.
shit. Sick of this shit.
I was about to bubble up. That's crazy. You really went all the way over there and then came straight back. Just been going farther and farther back.
Sick of this shit. Ming!
Nah,
Me!
he's going crazy. He's going crazy.
It's my retribution. Ming! Ah! Move up.
I was like,
God damn, we should have moved up. I think he would have moved back.
oh,
Or that's the
yeah.
only move every time we do a mission.
I have no idea.
Fuck it.
When we do a mission.
I'm about to go down.
Boo's Castle or straight to the boss?
Do we get any perks for doing that fucking castle?
Nah, it's just another mission.
So I bet then.
Finna beat this game tonight.
I don't know. They got 7 more levels for that.
That shit too easy. Fucking bitch. Imagine you fucking a fat girl named Peggy. Shit will go dumb.
Where is he coming from, bro?
I don't know who it was that snaked me just now, but someone definitely knocked me off that shit. I bet it was this man Martin.
I'm trying to get up there too. Oh, this man about to grab that shit. I knew he was about to-
This man Martin don't got no faith in me. That's crazy.
Get out of here.
Bruh.
They're trying to kill you?
Yeah. I like.
I really gotta start getting like me on this shit, cause I'm going dumb. Oh, this a door? Ain't no door.
No, it is. You gotta do something to open it though.
Oh wait, are we supposed to stand on this? No. Doesn't even go up. Oh yeah.
Always. Oh no, you playing now.
I'll just take this man Martin out. Oh, you can freeze him? This man Martin is snaking. He the only person that can freeze.
Somebody else with that. I was about to grab that.
Real quiet.
I'm really locked in right now. This
What
man.
Whoa.
How'd that happen? No! You can't. Oh, you can't fucking.
Hey, bro.
I can't. Y'all can't blame me for this shit. I didn't do it. I just like it's throwing me off. Just lie.
Got crazy out of nowhere.
I'm about to hit it with that hurts perks.
Like, that one got crazy out of nowhere.
Fuck it. I'm about to buy a scat pack.
Scat,
Here we go again.
Scat pack ain't gonna save you, bro.
Stuff in debt. I need that $1,000 a month payment. This man Martin said he wanted a luxury car. He need to get that scat pack. The Hellcat out the lab a lot.
Get in that freeze.
Dang. My bad.
Good looks.
Facts. I said I love the game. I need that scat pack. All three of us gotta be standing. Okay.
That's facts, yeah.
Real? This man Eli is not trying to save our shit.
My bad.
Damn, we should have saved that POW for later, shouldn't we? Because we can pick that shit up, can't we?
You're right.
I'm trying to pick up the skeleton, dude.
If we can freeze them and throw them, it might be best we just freeze them and keep them till later in our hands. It might go down. Shit,
Hit that shit, hit that shit, hit that shit, hit that shit, hit that shit. Let Eli hit it.
Yo, we might as well just bubble up for this shit. Just have one person. Ah, never mind.
Not do it.
I don't want to bubble up for this shit.
You
No.
should have kept it.
Yeah, for those blocks.
Yeah. Oh, he on one.
Popping off.
Nice.
No.
No, watch this shit.
Yeah.
Shit too easy.
Oh snap!
Too
Yeah,
easy.
this man shit really on when he came back. Bro, where did you go, bro?
I fell off the mat. This man said he on one. Yo, get that floating, dude. I know it's not gonna help.
Which phone, dude?
You don't even have it. Get the star.
Just the star? That's
No, I'm
not-
capping.
Like a waste.
That's what I'm saying. Don't do that.
We gotta do that wheel part again.
Yeah. Like,
Yo, spread out, spread out. I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go down.
you gotta hop over here.
You trying to pop my shit. Yeah, save that power shit. Grab it and then save it. Oh, never mind. You ain't gotta do that.
Oh, dang.
There's another one. I'm not trying to. Damn, the fuck I come back for? Get that power, get that power. Someone get it. Someone get it. And wait. Can we destroy the bricks?
I think we were supposed to wait and then have it destroy this brick and then we fall down.
Oh, with the fucking spike dudes.
Oof. Never mind.
Yeah, it's not even worth it. That dumbass fucking lag. It's childish.
Oh, they don't kill you? These balls. Oh. Oh.
They just bounced.
But.
Stay in the middle.
This nigga kinda ass, low key.
She finally did it.
I'm saying I had to put in that work. That's what happens when I play for real.
I had to lock in real quick.
Damn, we can't get the mushroom unless we get the castle.
Yeah.
I-
Oh, I didn't know that. That's beat.